Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to give my review of Ningxia Red. Ningxia Red is made from the Goji berry, which is a berry that is very high in antioxidants. Looks like it has about 10 times the amount of antioxidants that blueberries have, so we're talking a good amount of antioxidants in this. It also got trace amounts of minerals and vitamins in it as well, and it has a lot of vitamin C from what I see. Low glycemic sugar, naturally energy boosting. The benefits go on and on. It has a large amount of phytonutrients in it, and it claims to help with immunity response. I'm going to give my taste review on this. I'm not going to be able to really comment on the effectiveness of the product too much because I'm only going to have it once. Energize, fortify, revitalize. Sweet and stevia, fruit juice drink from concentrate. 15 calories, 3 carbs, 0.4 gram protein. All right, let's get into this. Wow, it's pretty strong. It does taste like goji berries. It tastes like fruit juice from concentrate. Yeah, that's pretty good. So in addition to the goji berries, this does have blueberry, plum, and cherry juice concentrates in it, which you can taste while you're drinking this. It does taste like a concentrated juice formula. Somewhat sweet, somewhat bitter, but I think it's a good combination of both. It's really strong. You can tell that there's a good amount of goji berries in this. Tastes very much like it. Tastes like a juice box that you know that's really good for you. I can tell that what I'm drinking is natural and probably pretty good for me. It's definitely a bit bitter like fruit juice, some fruit juice concentrates can be, but I know that it's packed with good ingredients, so. Yeah, I like it. It's pretty good. It has a unique taste to it. I haven't tasted anything like this before. It does taste like goji berries, blueberries, plums, cherries, kind of all mixed in together. But it does have a very, I'll go with a, not a bitter taste, but it's got some, it's a little stronger than you'd imagine it to be. It's not extremely sweet, but it does have a bit of a sweet taste to it. Overall, I like it. It's good. Yeah, I'll see if it's got any life-changing benefits, and if it does, I'll probably make another video talking about it. But other than that, I'd give this a solid like 8.5, 9 out of 10. Like, tastes decent, probably pretty good for me. You always need antioxidants, so that's a nice bonus. And we'll see if my energy increases naturally. I'm gonna go to the gym here in a few, and I'll see if my workout's any better. Thank you for watching.